On the show today, have I made profits yet? Where are my buy points? And what's going on with Bitcoin price? Let's do this. Welcome to Series 2, Episode 10 of my investment and trading series, as I take £15,000 and attempt to gain financial independence. This week there have been big gains in my holdings, but is this going to continue? Last week I forecasted that the price was headed down on Bitcoin, perhaps even to the low of $18,830, and was on target until the Fed minutes came out and the asset reversed its trend and pushed into the sell order and short order zone, which you can see on screen. That's the top red zone. Here it has sat for the last 4 days, testing the breakout price of 24,440 before falling back again. This is the 8th day now it has sat in this zone and tested that price, and so now is a critical time. Will it retest 24,400 and break through, or will it fall back to 21,200 or even lower? Well, let's keep an eye on that price. My current buy-in is around about 21,000, so obviously I'm hoping that the price will go down. But does it really matter if the price goes down or up? Remember, we're investing in Bitcoin, we're not trading. So I could just buy it now. It's really not going to make that difference in 18 months. Before we look at the valuation for the week, if you want to follow me on this investment and trading journey, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to drop the video a like and leave a comment on the progress I'm making. It is all very much appreciated. So let's start by looking at our Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings on Coinbase. And as we can see this week, our Ethereum holding is worth £2,468. This is up from £1,963 last week, which is great. Bitcoin is up to 2,033. Which is up from 1,963 last week, and our Ethereum 2 we continue to stake. It's now worth £384, and DAI is up as well, all green, at £23.46. Having a quick look at our Kudos coin, we can see that the whole wallet is worth $61.94, which is about the same as it was last week. And quickly looking at our staking, we can see that that's risen up to $85. Quickly popping onto eToro, we sold our Tesla shares. The sort of trader inside me kicked in there and I sold them. Really got to stop doing that and let them run. So we have no Tesla holdings at the moment. Our S&P 500 is up 3.97% in a profit of $21. Amazon is up 15% with a $54 profit. And silver now up 1.58% and we're $11 in profit. Silver is the asset that we're looking to sell maybe in about 6 to 9 months. Just having a quick look at our P&L for eToro. We're up 6.57% in July, which is brilliant. Okay, let's have a look at our company dashboard. So our starting fund was at 15,000. The remaining fiat to invest has risen to 7,158. That's really a result of selling the Amazon shares. And our current value is 13,753, which I'm really pleased about. From a total value perspective, this means that the fund is now worth more than it's ever been during the series, which is brilliant. It stands at 13,753, which is around £520-ish higher than last week. And if you look on the graph there, you can see that the highest it's ever been was 13,616. So again, good news. From an ROI perspective, we're now at minus 8.5%, and it seems an awful long time ago when we were at that minus 20%, and long may that continue. So that's all from me this week. As I always say, onward and upward, and a slightly different ending this week as I pay tribute to someone who meant a lot to me when I was growing up.